How to buy Infinity Liquidity Glitch token. See, this token came under the symbol of ILG. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your fund wallet for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this also can click on it. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. As you can see, now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap, and after that you can go and you will be able to access Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy ILG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.